remember being very surprised at how many people actually suffer from a medical condition called primary axillary hyperhidrosis. For those of you that don't know, that is excessive underarm sweating. And by excessive, I don't mean, oh, I worked out really hard so I'm sweating. I mean every day, all day, changing clothes multiple times a day, actually affecting your lifestyle kind of sweating. I would think there'd be a few, but the reality is there's hundreds of thousands even right here in our own city. It was shocking how much, and there wasn't really a lot to offer aside from Botox, some medical grade antiperspirants that may or may not work, but now there's a device called MiraDry, and I was so excited to find it because we can truly help someone in a life-changing kind of way, not just, oh, I look better, but this is something that actually impacts their day-to-day activities. It might be you, it might be somebody that you know that struggles with this. The treatment is using microwave technology to impact permanently not only the sweat glands, but also the glands right in that same plane of skin that actually go along with the sweating, in that it adds the odor associated with the sweating, and so we can actually kind of address both of those concerns with just the one treatment. MiraDry is something we do twice. We treat 3 months apart, and the treatment takes roughly about an hour. It's virtually pain-free. We do use lidocaine, so it's a very comfortable procedure to do. Takes about a week, maybe a little longer, depending on how you heal afterwards, to overcome the swelling. You do feel pretty puffed up under the arms. You kind of feel like you got tennis balls under the arms when you're done. It doesn't look that way to anybody else, but it'll feel that way to the person having the treatment. And there'll be a little bit of discomfort, occasionally a little bit of lumpiness, but I've never had a patient yet say, I don't want to do it again because of that. They are all about it because it's extremely effective in addressing that. Over the years that we've done this particular procedure, we've had more people say, well, I don't feel like I have excessive sweating, but I do have some that I wish I didn't have. Either they do work out a lot and wish they could minimize that, or maybe it's a female who's getting married and she doesn't want to have sweating on her dress, things like that. And so some of them have actually opted to do half of the series of 2, and they opt for just one treatment to kind of give them some better control. Regardless of what your goals are or what you have in mind, MiraDry is something that is permanent. It's FDA cleared, and it has been truly life-changing for many of our patients. So if you or someone you know struggles with this in any degree of severity, come and see us and let us just explain it a little bit further and see if this might be something very helpful for you.